Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today I'll be showing you guys how to decorate these cupcakes with these little chocolate fans. You can find this chocolate mold along with all the other chocolate molds and materials used in this tutorial at the My Dream Cake website. Thank you so much My Dream Cake for sponsoring these videos. So I've got some melted white chocolate. I am going to be adding them into the mold, giving it a good tap to settle the chocolate and make sure that there's no air bubbles caught underneath. And then you can set these for 10 minutes at room temperature or for a few minutes in the fridge and then just simply press them out of the mold. It is literally that easy. To the chocolate I am adding Midnight, which is a color by Color Mill. It's an oil blend and works wonderfully with chocolate and ganache. I'm going to add it into my small half sphere silicone mold, just using the back of a teaspoon to help coat all along the edges. I let this set at room temperature for 10 minutes and then just pop them out. You want to take a hot pan of some kind and just give it a bit of a circular motion with those chocolate halves. Kiss them together and then remove any excess chocolate. You can leave them as they are, or if you like, you can add some shimmer. I'm using the iconic white sparkle or super sparkle white luster dust. Added that into a Ziploc bag along with my chocolates and giving it a bit of a ruffle in there along with those little chocolate fans. So the color of your chocolate stays the same, you just get this really nice sheen sparkle to them. I'm going to be adding a little extra color into the buttercream, still Midnight by Color Mill, the oil blend, and then adding my chocolate decorations on top. I used a 6B tip to create the buttercream mound on top of the cupcake. Just press them straight in. And I felt as though it could use a little extra decoration, so I grabbed some of these edible cashews. I am going to be adding them to the side. And I love that they come in different sizes, little small packs, so you can customize your own blend. I always love adding large, medium, and small pearls on the cakes or cupcakes. It just adds a nice dimension. A little extra shimmer on the top of that buttercream. And your cupcake is complete. A huge thank you to the awesome people over at My Dream Cake. You can find all of these tools and decorations at their website, mydreamcake.com.au. I'll have it linked for you in the description box below. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will catch you again in the next one.